Hello, Education 555, and welcome to the first module of the course together. My name is Josh Bauer, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm really excited to be working with you as we head into different trends and issues in education. A little quick update on the course. Faculty contact is here if you'd like to learn more about me. Also, my email is right up here to get quick access. I do my best to write back quickly. I'm always available via email. If you really want to get to know more about me, my LinkedIn is down here. Course information is a good spot for you to also check out. Information about the syllabus, the modules, the description, outcomes. The syllabus is right here for you to find. Also, there are assignment exemplars for all the main assignments for the course are listed here. So make sure you check out the course information section as well. Let's head to content for the first section, which is Module 1, Personal Position Development. This week's essential question is, what are your core beliefs? And you'll learn more about that as we keep moving forward. The introduction forum. We've got a really good group gathered here. Want you to be able to get to know each other a bit. So please write to these prompts by Wednesday at midnight and respond to at least 2 of your classmates' posts by Sunday at midnight. We'll have that typical pattern every week, the Wednesday-Sunday pattern. Required reading. Please read this section from Being Leaders by Aubrey Malphurs. It's linked right here. And please read the excerpts that are listed that are in this PDF. Please read this information. You don't need to read all these chapters listed, but please read just the pages that I've highlighted. And additional resources are here. We're going to be working on a personal mission statement, so I included several things in here that could be helpful for you. You do not need to read through all these, but you can pick and choose resources that you think would be helpful. So please feel free to use those. All right, learning activity, the first one. Your school has a mission statement, a vision, a set of values, either they're written or unwritten. Usually you find those in the letterhead or brochures, handbooks, website, and all those kinds of things. Great teachers stick to their mission, vision, and values, so what are yours? You're going to create your own individual mission statement, which is a short statement that describes what your purpose is. You're going to create your own vision statement, and you're going to create your own creed. Okay? This is an important assignment because we're going to be using it as a lens for analyzing school issues and trends. I really believe that you have to know what you believe when you're analyzing school issues and trends. We're going to use our mission, vision, and creed throughout the entire course as we use it, like I said, as a lens for what do you think about this issue, or what do you think about this trend. So here's some more information about your mission statement and what it should look like, your vision statement and some information, and your creed, which has some prompting questions. Please make sure that your creed includes information from these 5 areas. You don't have to answer all these questions, but it should be from these 5 areas. So your creed links with theory, so make sure you have at least 3 references as part of your project. I included an example. Notice that the assignment is due Saturday night at midnight, and it's uploaded in 2 places. Everything is uploaded as one Word document to this assignment section. And then you're also going to copy and paste all of that information as a response to 1.2's discussion. So you're doing one assignment, putting it in 2 places. Uploading the Word document or the PDF to the 1.1 learning activity, put your mission statement, your vision, and your creed all in the same document, and then copy and paste it in this 1.2 discussion. The assignment for 1.1 is due by Saturday at midnight. 1.2's discussion, post by Saturday at midnight, respond to 2 other classmates by Sunday at midnight. Questions anyone is a spot to put any questions you might have about the assignments, and I'll do my best to answer those. All right, so that's Module 1. Looking forward to seeing your vision, mission, and creed. As a reminder, under course information, I did put some assignment exemplars so that you can see what those look like, some different ideas. Let me know if you have questions, and I look forward to a great first week. We'll talk to you soon.